Hi viewers, today by this video I have given complete solution of Apsc preliminary examination of optional papers law held on 13 December 2018. However, it is not an official solution. There may be some wrong, and if I so, then kindly excuse and comment for corrections in comment box, and please subscribe the channel. Let us go to the point. Here the question number 1. The name Bharat is mentioned in the Constitution of India in Article 1. 2. Question number 2. Article 38 of the Constitution of India provides for which of the following? Answer B. Economics and social right. Question number 3. Instead of the word federation, the Constituent Assembly deliberately used which of the following words in the Constitution of India? Answers B. Union. The objectives of the Constitution enshrined in the preamble were first. Answer. Enumerated in the objective resolutions of Nehru adopted by the Constituent Assembly. Question number 5. Secularism has been regarded as one of the basic features in which of the following cases? Answer D. Answer Mumbai versus Union of India. Question 6. Social justice enabled the courts to uphold legislations. Answers all of the above. That means D. Question 7. Reservation for women is provided under. Here the answer is option number D. None of the above. Question number 8. The nomenclature's Constitution India find in place. Here the answer is A. Article 393. Question number 9. Judgment in dream is available to all persons, officials and the state. Question number 10. Citizenship law can be amended by. Answers Parliament. Question number 11. Free legal aid is the directive principle enshrined in which article of the Constitution of India? Article 39A. The promotion of educational and economic interest of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other weaker section is found in Article 46. Question 13. A petition submitted after review petition is a revision petition. Question number 14. Anticipatory bail is provided for under section 438 of CRPC. Question number 15. Which of the following is covered under arrest and detention mentioned in articles 22 clause 1 and 22 clause 2 of the Constitution of India? Criminal arrest. Question number 16. Right to vote is an statutory right. Question number 17. Article 60 clause 4 of the Constitution deal with affirmative action. Question number 18. Protection of interest of the minorities as fundamental right includes distinct language, script, cultures, all of the above. All of the above. Question 19. The Constitution of India established a dual polity in the country consisting of both A and B. That means Union government and state government. Question number 20. To decide whether or not a state has an extraterritorial operation, which of the following doctrine is invoked? Answer. Option number A. Doctrine of territorial nexus. Question number 21. under which list law and order is included as entry? Here the answer is option number C, that means correct list. Question number 22. Who is the authorized to make law with respect to any matter under the state list during the time of emergency? Answer is Parliament. Entries such as defense of India, atomic energy are included in event list. The first Chief Justice of India was C.J. Kania. Question number 25. The Supreme Court addressed the issue of triple talaq in the cases of Shaira Banu. Question number 26. Emoluments of the Presidents of India are specified in second schedule. In which cases it was held that the right to life does not include right to die? Gyan Cure versus State of Punjab. Which articles of the Constitution deal with adult service? Short press. Answer is B, in Article 326. Question number 29. Article 35A of the Constitution deal with Jammu and Kashmir. The expressions Hindu include Jain, Sikhs, Buddhist. Here the answer is all of the above. Question number 31. That the Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the House of the People is provided under which of the following articles of the Constitutions? Article 74 clause 3. Legislative powers of the Presidents are provided under Article 123. The Constitution of India provided the procedures for impeachment of the Presidents by Article 61. Question number 34. The governor is the vital link with the central and the state, the central and the cultural affairs, the center and the human rights. Here the answer is D, all of the above. Question number 35. Who administered oath of the office and secretary to the Council of Ministers in a state? Here the answer is the governor. Question number 36. Six schedules the Constitution deal with. Answer is D. Here the answer is option number D, tribals in northeast India. Question number 37. The appointment of the chief ministers is governed by which power of the governor? Answers B, constitutional power. Question number 38. An advocate general of the state is appointed by the governor. Question number 39. Advisory options from the Supreme Court can be sought by the presidents. 14. The doctrine of pleasures is brought from the Constitution of the UK. Question number 41. The reasonable opportunity is provided to the civil servant under Article 311 clause 2. Question number 42. Under which of the following provision the service tribunal was introduced to the Constitution? And the answer is Article 323A. Question number 43. Residuary powers under the Constitution are provided under Article 248. Fundamental rights are available against the state. Question number 45. Lex loci means law of the land. Question number 46. Constitution Day is observed on 26 November. Question number 47. Respect of the national flag is a fundamental duty. Question number 48. The supreme command for the armed force is the president's. Question number 49. The power under Article 72 of the Constitution can be exercised by the president. Question number 15. Rajya Sabha can withhold a money bill for 14 days. Question number 51. Which of the following constitutional amendments provided for the anti-defection law? Here the answer is option number B. 52 amendment. That means 52nd amendment, which was in 1985. Question number 52. In which cases constitutional validity of 9th schedule's law on the cornerstones of the basic structures has been discussed? Sorry, I have yet not found the answers. Question number 53. Any of the list in the 7th schedule can be amended by, answers option number C, to be ratified by the legislatures of not less than one half of the state. Question number 54. The powers under Article 368 is in the natures of constituent power. Which of the following is not included as an way of amending the Constitution of India under Article 368? Verification. That means the Constitution amending the Constitution of India under Article 368 is include addition, variation, repeal, but does not include verification. Question number 58. Additional power of the Borderland Territorial Councils to make law was granted in which year? Answer 2003. Question number 57. Provision for Financial Commission is laid down under Article 280. Question number 58. What can be done directly? What cannot be done directly? Cannot be done indirectly. The doctrines relate to colorable legislation. Question number 59. Paragraph 7 of the 10th schedule was declared invalid in Minerva Mill versus Union of India. Question number 60. Administrative law in concert with the operation and control of both A and B. That means answer number D. Question number 61. Administrative agencies are variously designated as. Here the answer is all of the above. Question number 62. Which of the following is not an example of delegated legislation? Here the answer is A. Option number A. An act enacted by the Parliament. Question number 63. Henry VIII clause is also known as exceptional delegation. Question number 64. Judicial control over delegated legislation is exercised by applying which test? Here the answer is both. That means C. Both A and C. Question number 65. The principle of the natural justice was first propounded in India in H.R. Mumbai Catch. Question number 66. Sampath Kumar's case dealt with. Here the answer is option number C. Central Administrative Tribunal. Question number 67. Central Administrative Tribunal dealt with service matter. Question number 68. Subordinate legislation means by law. Question number 69. Certiorari may be issued under which of the following grounds? Answers D, all of the above. Question number 17. The writ of mandamus can be issued on which of the following grounds? Here all of the above. Question number 71. The writ of prohibition is issued by the superior court to an inferior court for the purpose of preventing it from usurping a jurisdiction which was not legally vested in it. Question number 72. Decision given without regard to principle of natural justice is void. Who made the observation? Sorry for these answers, for not giving these answers. Question number 73. Odi alteram partem rule implies a right to be heard. Question number 74. Example of the public undertaking is Railway Department, State Trading Corporation, State Electricity Board. Here the answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 75. The rule of the natural justice applies in which of the following proceeding? Here the answer is all of the above. That means it applies judicial proceeding, quasi-judicial proceeding, administrative proceeding. Question number 76. Recommendation for the institution of Lokpal in India was made by answer option number C, Administrative Reform Commission. Question number 77. Which country has first adopted the institution of ombudsman? Here the answer is option number A, Sweden. Question number 78. What is a kind of? Answer is option number A, civil wrong. Question number 79. In tort, duty is owed to society in the general. In general, society in general. Question number 18. Which of the following persons cannot sue for tort? Here the answer is all of the above. That means alien, enemy, bankrupt corporation. None of the person can not be sued for tort. Question number 81. Tort is a violation of right and dream. Question number 82. Which of the following is not a general defense in an action for tort? Here the answer is option number D, immoral acts. Question number 83. In voluntary non-fit injury, the plaintiffs invite the risks voluntarily. Both the plaintiff and the defendant knew the nature's risks of the incident. Here the answer is option number C, both A and B are correct. Question number 84. Tort result from the breaks of the duty imposed by parties under a contract. Here the answer is option number B, it is wrong. Question number 85. Which of the following persons may sue in tort? Here the answer is option number D, none of the above. That means public official, infant, lunatics. Question number 86. The maxim damnum sum injuria means damage without injury. 87. If a person directly interferes in the possessions of the another's land without lawful jurisdiction, he commits trespass. Question number 88. The maxim res ipsa loquitur is a rule of negligence. 89. Private defense or self-defense may be of person's property. Here the answer is option number C, both A and B. Question number 19. There can be no action for defamation in case of absolute privileges. Question number 91. Necessity shall be able as defense when harm is caused intentionally to prevent a greater evil. 91. Which of the following defense are available for an action for negligence? Contributory negligence. Question number 93. Which is not a test of remoteness of damage? Answer C. The test of indirectness. 94. The phrase novus actus intervenes means new intervening act. 95. The doctrine of strict liability was laid down in. Answer is option number C. Rylands versus Fidelchurch. Pritchard. Question number 96. Unliquidated damage means an unascertained sum of money against out of res ipsa liquidated. Here the answer is option number D. Maybe D, but I am not sure. So sorry for this. If anybody know this, please kindly comment on comment box for correction. Question number 97. Damnum implies damage. 98. Ashby versus White is a leading case on injurious damnum. Qui facit per alium facit per se means vicarious liability. Question number 100. State communications in an qualified privileges. Thank you for watching for this video, and please kindly share this video to your friend who is experience of Apsc candidate in future times and any job in the field of judicial service and any others job. Thank you for watching.